Do you know that you can learn those Chinese numbers in just a few seconds? I mean, okay, a few minutes. No matter if you're interested in learning Chinese or just want to get to know other cultures in the world in general, this video is for you. The first part will be fun facts around the world. Then we will talk about learning those Chinese numbers. Let's get to it. I would say Chinese is the most efficient language in the world. Don't believe it? Let's try counting those numbers from 1 to 10 in different languages and see which one finished first. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's 1 to 10 in Chinese. That's how fast it is. How efficient Chinese language is. Sorry about that. The Chinese language is representing our culture. Being really economic, really efficient, and effective. Unlike 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have a lot of consonant, like 5, fave. Do you see? We don't have so much consonants at the end. That's difficult for the mouth to form the sound. And 7. How many syllables? Every digit is 1 syllable long, only. And all the other languages, English, French, Spanish, Japanese, oh my god. Too much for my Chinese brain. And now, let's do those numbers with fingers. It's also interesting because the Chinese is the only group of people that I know that can indicate all these numbers using just one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 5. They are similar all over the world. But after that, it's quite different. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how they do in Japan. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And imagine you're in a busy market trying to make a bargain with the vendors from far away. Hey. And you're already carrying bags with the other hand. You only have one hand free. Now, using those fingers, it really comes in handy, right? Even if you're not interested in learning the Chinese language, learning those number signs can already help you strike a pretty good deal when you're there or when you're working with Chinese people. First, let me tell you a story. Eel and Earl, 2 people, their names. Eel and Earl are sunbathing and sleeping near the woods. Leo said he plans to put some cheese on their butt cheeks as a practical joke. And we would see those cheese melting and it gets too hot on their skin. But shh, don't tell them. It's a secret. Ha ha ha. Disclaimer, please do not try this at home. Do you remember the story? Let's learn how to say 1 to 5 in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6 to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Do you know with these numbers, you can almost master all these dates, years, months, days, weekdays, hours, and phone numbers. That's right. We don't have these complicated words like January, February, March, nor Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. For Chinese, it's just weekdays number 1, 2, 3, month number 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's see how much you remember. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10 Too quick? Let's try cutting into smaller, digestible pieces. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10 Or 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10 Let's try play some music and count for eights together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、4、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 2、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 5、4、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、4、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、3、2、3、4、5
4、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。
And don't forget 9 and 10 and 0. 9、10、0。Fun facts about language and world cultures. Join me for a cup of tea. A cup of tea. A cup of tea. We can see the world beyond the eyes of tourists. 干杯! Kanpai. Cheers. Prost. Salud.
Were those facts interesting? Have you picked up the Chinese numbers? Let me know what you think by leaving a comment down below. If you like what you see, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see my new video. Cheers!